AI is not only driving massive growth in compute demand, it is also changing the way industries operate around the world. China, with its scale, speed, and industrial depth, is becoming a key driver in the evolution of global AI infrastructure. In the AI era, infrastructure is no longer just a support system. It is becoming the foundation for innovation, operational efficiency, and business resilience. Vertiv is working closely with hyperscale, cloud customers, and ecosystem partners to build next-generation AI infrastructure capabilities together. Our goal is not just to deliver solutions, but to co-create future-ready, converged physical infrastructure systems with our customers.
Converged physical infrastructure is based on 5 critical elements. Number 1, repeatable building blocks, so standardized building blocks throughout. Number 2, standardized interfaces. These are the seams, this is where everything connects. Systems orchestration is number 3. Everything needs to work together as a whole. Digital continuity, from the time you start the design in the virtual world until you put it into operation. And number 5 is lifecycle assurance. That is the services that goes around it from end to end. This converged physical infrastructure operates optimally and can be optimized over time. That's converged physical infrastructure.
For customers, the role of infrastructure is changing. They no longer just look at the systems themselves. They care more about how fast they can deploy, how efficiently they can operate, and how quickly they can innovate. Vertiv converged physical infrastructure helps them move faster, lower operating costs, and improve innovation efficiency. From deployment and operations to energy efficiency and scalability, infrastructure is no longer just the backend support. It's becoming a key driver for business growth and AI innovation.
We are at Computex Taipei, so excited to bring global team of experts showcase the latest development of future AI infrastructure. The future of AI requires not only more compute power, but also converged physical infrastructure that can operate a reliable AI era. Our collaboration with NVIDIA and the ecosystem set a future roadmap for technical co-development. At Vertiv, we power and cool AI infrastructure at scale.